This video will show you how to download and install the license key and open SPSS version 28 on a Windows computer. When you've placed your order and have received the email confirmation from studentdiscounts.com, you will download a PDF document. Please read the instructions carefully. On the PDF document will be directed to a page like this. You will select which SPSS installer file you need to download. There are options for both Mac and Windows. This video is for Windows users. There's a separate video if you have a Mac. SPSS version 28 will only install on 64-bit Windows operating systems. If you need an older version of SPSS that will run on an older Windows computer, please contact us. Select the Windows download by right-clicking here. We are using the Google Chrome browser. You can see the download starts in the bottom left-hand corner here, and you can access the download section at any time by clicking on the three horizontal lines in the top right here and choosing Downloads. The Firefox browser will ask if you want to save the file. Choose Save File and the download starts in the Downloads section of the browser. You can return to this section at any time by clicking up here. If you're using Internet Explorer, you'll be asked if you want to run or save the installation file. Choose Save and the download will start. You can see the progress at the bottom of your screen. You can access the download at any time by clicking the cog icon in the top right and selecting View Downloads. The time it takes to download depends on the speed of your internet connection. Typically it takes between 10 and 20 minutes, but it can be slow if you're on a wireless connection. When the download has finished, go to the Downloads section of your browser, and then your Downloads folder. You should now see the downloaded SPSS installation file. Right-click on this and choose Run as Administrator. It may ask if you want to allow the program to make changes. If it does, choose Yes. When the installer starts, press Next. Accept the terms of the license agreements, and then press Next again. Leave the installation folder as is and press Next again. Then press Install. We are speeding up the video of the installation process. It normally takes between 5 and 10 minutes to complete. When the installation is finished, you'll see this screen. Make sure you leave this box checked, then click Finish. This will open the SPSS Statistics program. When SPSS Statistics opens for the first time, it will prompt you to license the program. Please choose the second option, Launch License Wizard. This will open the SPSS License Authorization Wizard, where you can enter your authorization code to license SPSS. When the SPSS License Authorization Wizard opens, the first screen will show no licenses found for SPSS. Click Next. Select Authorized User License, and then click Next again. Enter the license key from either the order confirmation screen after you checked out or on the email you received from studentdiscounts.com. Copying and pasting from the email is best, as it's very easy to make a mistake if you type it. Then choose Next. You should see a green Authorization Succeeded message. Choose Next again, and then finally Finish. Installed, you'll need to find it on your computer before you can use it. If you're on Windows 10, you can find the program by going to the Starter Windows icon in the bottom left of your screen. Find the IBM folder under I for IBM. And in there you'll find both the SPSS Statistics program and the SPSS License Authorization Wizard. If you need to run the SPSS License Authorization Wizard, right-click on it, select More, then Run as Administrator to run the SPSS Statistics program. Just click it and the program will open. If you need support for downloading, installing, and licensing SPSS, go to the FAQ link at www.studentdiscounts.com, which has answers to the most commonly asked questions about purchasing, installing, and licensing SPSS. If you can't find the answer you're looking for, click here to chat to us. We're online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.